You go pass the relay first on relay, okay? You play 5, 6, 7, play on 8. Pass the relay on 1 and 2 and 3 on relay arabesque and 20 on 4 and relay up again on 5, play on 6, round back 7 and 8. You play relay on 1, brush play on 2. Pick arabesque on 3, chassé attitude on 4. All relay, okay? And from here you play 5, 6. You only do passeter 7 and 8. And then we do develop écarté 1, 2, 3, and 4. Écarté 5, 6, 7, and 8. We chassé 1 and 2. This time we do attitude turn. Attitude turn, a long way, pas de bourrée. Plie passé, plie, chassé, and plie, releve, and plie, round all the way back. Plie, releve, plie, brush, and arabesque, chassé attitude, plie, passé turn. Fix and definitely écarté and tendu, fix and écarté and tendu, fix, chassé tendu back and plie, hold, attitude